In this video, I will show you the settings where you can enable the second image and hover in Shopify's Dawn theme. But just keep in mind that in order for this feature to work, you must upload 2 or more images to your products. As you can see in my example, the cream sofa on the left has 2 images, so every time I hover on it, you'll see the second image. However, the yellow sofa on the right has only 1 image. So in order to enable the settings, let's log into Shopify admin account, then click on the online store, then locate Dawn theme and then select customize. Once the editor loads, at the very top, click on home page and then select collections, then click on default collection. Then on the left, click on product grid, and then on the right, under product cards, just select this option, show second image and hover, and then press save. Now allow a few minutes for the changes to update in the system, and then let's go back to the website and refresh it. Now if you hover on products that have multiple images, you'll see the second image and hover. So that's pretty much it. That's all I want to show you in this video. I hope you found it helpful. And for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.